Hello, today we are going to crochet a rose vine hair tie. The yarn used is Susan's Family No. 3 lace. A 1.8mm crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around your hand. Hold the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger, then take a hair elastic. Pass the crochet hook through the elastic. Yarn over. Chain 1 stitch. Crochet 60 single crochets around the elastic. Once the 60 single crochets are done, insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and make a slip stitch to join, then start crocheting the vine. Make 4 chain stitches. Continue with 3 more chains. Work a half double crochet into the third stitch from the hook. Pull through all 3 loops at once. Continue with 7 chain stitches. Insert the hook into the second last stitch. Work a single crochet. Next stitch. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Stitch. Work a half double crochet. Next stitch, a single crochet. In the last stitch, work a slip stitch. This way we've completed 1 leaf. Continue with 11 chain stitches. Just like this leaf we just made. Second last stitch. Single crochet. Half double crochet. Double crochet. Half double crochet. Single crochet. Slip stitch. Now let's take a look at the crochet pattern. Start with 4 chain stitches. The small hole formed here is for crocheting roses. 1 leaf, 4 chain stitches, 1 leaf. This makes 1 group. We continue with 4 chain stitches. 3 chain stitches. Yarn over the hook. Third last stitch. Work a half double crochet. Then crochet the leaf. 7 chain stitches. Second last stitch. 1 single crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 double crochet. 1 half double crochet. 1 single crochet. 1 slip stitch. The crocheting method is the same as the first leaf. Continue with 4 chain stitches. Start crocheting the leaf. 7 chain stitches. Same method. way we've crocheted a total of 4 leaves. For the roses, crochet 1 rose every 2 leaves, crochet 1 here, and another 1 here. Each vine has 6 leaves in total. The remaining 2 leaves can be completed by you on your own. Once all 6 leaves are completed, finally work 7 chain stitches. Yarn over, insert hook into the third last stitch, pull through the yarn. 1/2 double crochet, chain 1 stitch, cut the yarn, pull out the yarn tail. Next, we'll start crocheting the second vine. This is the first vine, skip 3 stitches from this stitch. Count 1, 2, 3 and insert hook into the 4th stitch. Pull through the yarn. 4 chain stitches. Then 7 chain stitches for the leaf. Using the same method as before, crochet 1 leaf. Continue with 4 chain stitches. 3 chain stitches. Third last stitch. Work 1/2 double crochet. 7 chain stitches. Crochet a leaf. This completes 1 pattern. Repeat. You can compare it with the first one. The rose of the first one is on the first leaf, while the rose of the second vine is on the second leaf, so they are staggered. Following the same pattern, crochet the remaining leaves on your own. After completing 6 leaves on the second vine, work 11 chain stitches. Once the 11 chain stitches are completed, yarn over and insert hook into the third last stitch. Pull through the yarn. Work 4/2 double crochets in the stitch, leaving them incomplete. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook at once. 2 chain stitches. Insert into the same stitch. Pull through the yarn to make a slip stitch. 1 chain stitch. Cut the yarn. Pull out the yarn tail. Switch to red yarn. Insert hook into the small hole formed by the 1/2 double crochet at the end of the first vine. Pull through the yarn. 2 chain stitches. Work 4 incomplete 1/2 double crochets in this hole. Pull through all loops at once. 2 chain stitches. Same stitch. slip stitch, 1 chain stitch, cut the yarn. Hide this yarn tail through the middle of the bud. Insert the hook through. Pull through the yarn. Trim this yarn tail. Same method on this side as well. Pass through the bud. Bring the yarn through. Trim it. Next, we'll crochet rows. In every small hole of half double crochets. Pull through, make 12 chain stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third last stitch from the end. Work 3 double crochets into each stitch. Next stitch, 3 double crochets. A total of 9 stitches, crochet 27 double crochets. Once all the double crochets are completed, roll it up. Insert the hook at the base. Thread it through the middle. Pull through the yarn. Make a slip stitch. Chain 1 stitch. Cut the yarn. Pull out the yarn tail. Tie a knot with these 2 tails at the back. From the middle of the flower, thread it through. Trim it off. This way the back will be neat and clean. There are 2 crocheting methods for the vines I demonstrated before. To make sure the roses are staggered, the rose on this vine is at the first leaf, and the rose on the other vine is at the second leaf. Leave 3 stitches between every 2 vines. If you think there will be too much roses, leaving 4 stitches apart also works. The rest can be completed according to your own arrangement. This is what it looks like after finishing the crochet. You can wear it with a ponytail, braids, or a bun. All are great options.